I could have brung it, but hell. This side.
Take some more. 20 to 40.
Drop on it.
Ah, right lane. Right lane. It was a setup, like Funkytown said.
No driving, motherfucker.
Like Funkytown said, it was a setup, y'all. Texas Misfits. Appreciate whatever you done. Twisted Soul. I don't know what you done, but you always do a lot. Thank you. Go over here and see what's see what's out back here. Ah, there go old boy, y'all. Look. Hey, what's up with it? Ah, how you doing? Who you racing?
Shit, I don't even know.
Racing?
I want to at least be interested. At least.
Okay, next to you. Next to you.
This truck?
Nah, right there.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, but he want to race somebody behind him.
He want to do what?
He want to race the car behind him.
He want to race for money.
No, he want to race the car behind him.
Oh, you do? Let me see. Who that in there? The hell going on? Oh, what's up with it, man? I ain't see all the back seat. Hey, y'all. What's up with it?
Y'all, this motherfucker just jumping this. You see him in the truck? Yeah. You not gonna give me a rematch from last time? Yeah, I will. I'm gonna race him now. Doc, do you next if you want to. You do? You gonna whip his ass next? Yeah, I'm gonna give him a call. I'm gonna try to come back and get him. Oh, okay. I put some new seats in.
Yeah, you put some new seats in.
Oh shit, boy! Hey, you look good all the way up for real though. I see you, man.
Damn.
Y'all,
Okay. Yeah. What you at? Oh, that's that Rick James. Cold. Hey, bloody. Hey, that's the jam there. Man, I'm trying to figure out where he get this car from, man. Where he from, man? Hey, yeah, he jammed. Look, it is. You should have cleaned that window. Look how, man. Should have cleaned that window, man. I wish you had a towel. I'll wipe it for you. Give me a towel. I'll wipe it for you. I'll get you right. Hold on, man. The carburetor tripping. Carburetor tripping, man. We trying to get a good clean.
I need somebody to put the glue on that for me.
I'll put you some glue, man. Damn. Yeah, we gonna get him right. Man, he sure. Oh, he going extra now. He getting extra. Hold on. Man, that bitch still look. It's probably on the inside of the window, man. That's what it look like now. I got you. Go glue. This ain't even loud. What I'm gonna do with this? Oh, it was the inside. Man, he can't. I guess I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it enough. He finna get it ready now. All right, man, you better get ready. He finna get you. Well, that thing fired right up. Who set the timing on there?
Powerhouse Motors in Memphis.
In Memphis?
Yeah, Powerhouse Motors.
Powerhouse Motors. That boy know how to set their timing, boy. Powerhouse. How you doing? They might know some. Yeah, we're gonna line you up. I'm gonna line you up. Come on with it. You come over this way a little bit. Yeah, he got that intake right here, man.
He have to get on this
Nah,
shit.
that
That's all he got that intake.
Okay.
Who you think got that?
Yeah. Yeah, do that right there. Okay.
God damn, he got a pro mod.
Yeah, he got to go half track, man. I don't know if he got no LS. I thought it was an old motor. I wonder if he got an LS. It did crank up fast.
Take a look, goddammit.
It did crank up pretty fast. Over this way a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, come on back. Yeah. He's right on it. Come back a little bit more. A little bit more. Go back. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, a little bit more. A little bit more. All right, about right there. He ain't got that much, but I'm going to make it work, though. I'm going to make it work, y'all. He ain't got that much. All right, I still left him a little bit. All right, right there. He gonna run out of it. He didn't. Hey, come on back in this shit. Y'all really ain't had that much, man. You ain't even drive in it. Right there. Right there. Hey, hold on. Yeah, hold on. We gotta reset you. Cause you ain't do something right. Alright. Right there. Hey! It's ready now though. Hey! He done got overexcited, y'all. It done went dead. Damn. Come on, baby, please. Damn. What happened? It's on fire? I think it is. Let me see.
Little fire in the carburetor.
Little fine. Let me put his glue back. Okay, there goes his glue.
Just suck it down in there. Start up for you.
Turn it over.
Yeah, it should be ready now. I don't see no fire.
That's what I did a burnout.
Yeah, you got a little rough with it, man.
I know, I tried to.
Man.